This is Steve Pistillo from P2 Automation. In this short mini-series, I'm going to walk you through a customer service module we created for one of our larger clients in the metals space. This module will be used to track every customer issue, and if there's a claim made, in other words, we have to issue a refund to a client, this same module will be used to track the claim, including all the dollars involved, as well as issue claim requests to vendors, mills, and other plants. Here's how it works. And note, this service module entity is called Cases, but it's not the case module that you would find in Dynamics 365. This is all custom. To create a case, it's always best to start from the account screen. Here you can see we're in the Ford account, and if we want to create a service case, simply click on Cases. And you can see there's one case already in the system, and we want to create a new one. Select the issue type or types. So let's say this was a quality issue and it was late. And you'll put in a more descriptive note for the issue or issues, and then save and close. And there we go. It creates a case, gives it the next number. And if we want to enter more information, simply click on that case number. If you know the contact person, you can select them. If you need to change the issue types, they're here. And at this point, you may have some images. We can always upload those. Usually we just save those to the desktop and pull them in. You could pull in as many as you need. And then we want to enter the tag numbers. These are our inventory tag numbers for the product. Click Save, and you can put in as many as you need. Now, oftentimes there's nothing else to do. Perhaps this case is resolved on the phone call. You can close it without a claim. Explain why, and then click OK. And the case is deactivated. You can't do anything else with it at this time, but it's recorded and stored in the system for later reporting. Now, we've developed several custom service management models at P2 Automation over the years. Why didn't we just use the out-of-the-box Cases module in Dynamics 365? Well, there are several reasons, but most importantly, cost. At the time of this video, the case management feature in Dynamics 365 is at least $105 a month per user, and it's even higher if you have the sales module as well. The second reason is every one of our service tickets is customized to match the client's needs. So we'd have to make all these customizations anyway. It's just easier and better for the client and overall less expensive to start with a custom entity. If you'd like our help keeping track of customer service issues for your customers, reach out to us today at www.p2automation.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.